Hello everyone, I am Rajesh Sharma in front of you. Now today we discuss about an important chapter of the level of class 12 CBSE, ICSE and UP boards. Magnetic effect of current. What is the magnetic effect of current? First we discuss about what is magnet. Magnet is taken by the Latin word magnetite. It is the ores of iron Fe3O4. Iron have two ores, one is hematite, another is magnetite. The magnetite is formed by Latin word Fe3O4. That was the composition of the magnet. And the magnet is generally two types. One is the natural magnet, another is the artificial magnet. What is the natural magnet? This type of magnet is found in earth crust in impure condition. It is known as the natural magnet, and the magnetism of the natural magnet is very weak. Therefore, we use to the artificial magnet in our different electrical appliances. What is artificial magnet and how it will be formed? The artificial magnet, first we take a U type of the soft iron metallic plate and the mounted with the laminated copper wire. And the one it is connected with the battery and the bar magnet. If the current to be transferred from battery to the bar magnet, it is follow the process of the thermonic emission and the ejected electrons are transferred from the bar magnet to the soft iron U-shaped plate. After some time it is behave as the electromagnets, and it will be behave as the artificial magnet, and it is a function in our different electrical appliance. What is magnetic field? An area there experience the behavior of magnet is known as magnetic field, and it is generally two types. One is cross, another is dot. If the magnetic field is cross, then the direction of magnetic field is inward. If the magnetic field is dot, then the direction of magnetic field to be outward. The different cases is also applied in the terms of and identify to the rules. Fleming left hand rule. In Fleming left hand rule, thumb is show that the direction of force, for finger is show that the direction of magnetic field, and middle finger is show that the direction of current. But the right hand rule, that was the direction of force, magnetic field, but the middle finger is show that the direction of induced current. What is induced current? That will be developed to the linkage of magnetic flux, and it is always opposed to the developed by that source. It was generally described by the Faraday. An experiment. Faraday takes a first in experiment. He takes the bar magnet at the some distance from the circuit. A circuit is connected with the galvanometer. We observe that no deflection in the galvanometer when the bar magnet is placed at the some distance. And afterward the bar magnet to the nearby the circuit, we observe that no deflection in the galvanometer. In experiment 3, when the bar magnet to surrounded of the circuit to like as the clockwise, anti-clockwise and moved around the circuit, he observed that there have no deflection. But in the experiment 4, when a bar magnet is nearby to the circuit, we observe that the deflection to be developed in the galvanometer, and it will be always opposed to developed by that source. The direction of the magnetic field is the direction of the circuit, but the direction of induced current in opposite direction of the magnetic field, it will be described that was the electromagnetic induction. What is the electromagnetic induction? It will be developed to the linkage of magnetic flux, and it is always opposed to developed by that source, and it was the mathematically represented E is equal to minus d phi by dt. What is right hand rule? Right hand thumb rule. In the right hand thumb rule, when a person take any current carrying conductor placed in magnetic field, we observe that in same way, just like a jata, the stick is behave as the current carrying conductor and show that the direction of the current, but all the finger is show that the direction of magnetic field. In same way, when the person to be moved a jata, the stones in circular form, that was the magnetic field, and the thumb, that was the direction of current, and the stick is also behave as the direction of current. What is Maxwell rules? Maxwell screw rule: when any screw is closed with help of the screwdriver, then direction of the magnetic field is downward and the direction of current to be upward. If any screw is open with help of a screwdriver, then direction of magnetic field is upward and the direction of current is downward. Now we state the Biot-Savart law. What is the Biot-Savart law? It was generally 1820 Biot and Savart to be described this law. It was generally used for any current carrying conductor. If any current carrying conductor placed in magnetic field, the magnetic field is directly proportional to the current, length, angle, and inversely proportional to the distance of the particle from its midpoint. Delta B is directly proportional to I del L sin theta upon R square. Now we expanded form delta B is equal to mu 0 naught I del L sin theta upon 4 pi R square. The different case is also applicable in the Biot-Savart law. When the current carrying conductor has the circular loop or circular ring, we observe the mathematically relation. We know that dB is equal to mu 0 naught I del L sin theta upon 4 pi R square. Now the dl is the circumference of the circle. Now the relation is established: dB is equal to mu 0 naught I del L, that was the 2 pi R, and we put the value of angle sin theta R upon root R square x square, and the value 4 pi R square x square. Then stabilize the relation: dB is equal to mu 0 naught I del L sin theta upon 4 pi R square x square root R square x square to expanded from 1 by 2. Now the relation of the magnetic field as the circular ring or circular loop: dB is equal to mu 0 naught I upon 2 pi R. To state the Ampere's circuital law, the number of magnetic field and force line is passes through any closed surface that is always equal to mu 0 naught I time. Let us consider a circular loop. Then the charged particle at the point of exterior P, that was circumference dl, is equal to 2 pi R. Phi b dl is equal to mu 0 naught I upon 2 pi R into circumference 2 pi R. Then relation is stabilized mu naught I. What is solenoid? It is the hollow cylindrical metallic structure to mounted with the laminated copper wire. When the current to be developed in the device, then it is also behave as the bar magnet, because when the current flow in anti-clockwise direction, the nearby pole is behave as the north pole and the apart distance pole is also behave as the south pole. It is behave as the bar magnet. When any current carrying conductor is placed in the bar magnet in the form of the rectangular loop, then relation to be stabilized mu naught I. What is toroid? When any solenoid bent in the form of the circular ring, that is also behave as the toroid, and it will also follow the relation B is equal to mu 0 naught Ni. N is the number of turn and I is the current. The value of the toroid in the exterior point is the magnetic field B is equal to mu 0 naught I, but at the inside of the surface, then relation of the magnetic field B is equal to mu 0 naught I, then it will be magnetic field to be 0. How will we change the galvanometer as a meter? We change to the galvanometer as a meter when unknown resistance are connected in parallel form of the galvanometer. It is behave as the ammeter. If the voltmeter, then will be unknown resistance and will be connected in series, then the galvanometer is behave as ammeter. What is galvanometer? Galvanometer is an instrument to detect a current in circuit, and we can be identify the direction of the induced current. The galvanometer is also very useful in the electric generator, and we observe the deflection of the induced current in opposite direction of the linkage of magnetic flux.